What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna be picking up something. We just got the trailer on the truck. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's back there. We're almost to where we need to be, so I guess we'll show you guys what we get after we get it. This car might even be more bust than your car, Bailey.
Shoot, you think so? It's never gonna be. That car is super bust. You can't even turn. You can turn the steering wheel. It's not even gonna.
No, it doesn't have a steering column.
Oh.
So it's
Probably
gonna.
because the wheel.
Yeah. So we're gonna have to turn the wheels like how you guys was turning it when we was moving the engine.
Yeah, he's like manual steer.
Yeah, manual steer, cause Roger. Okay.
Ready, boy?
Yeah, see that. Okay. Ready? Pause. Pause, bro. Pause.
Wait, how come? Yeah.
Oh, there's a zip tie in the front.
What's wrong with this garage?
He's like, what am I scraping on? Okay, pause. Right now, boy.
Guys, we just bought another car in the span of like a week. This foreigner's putting in work. And the crazy thing is we got it for a good deal, and it has what I need and what Christine needs. And then we still have a shell at the end of the day. That's freaking crazy, guys.
The longest part is us putting the bumper in the car. There, yeah, no, just leave it like that, and then if anything. Woo!
You're like, we did it.
We did it.
No, you did it. I did it.
It's really just like a 24E.
I'm so excited.
Just like that. Now you got everything.
Now I got everything.
Now you can just start it.
Hi, bro. Yo, what the heck?
I'm so excited.
For a shell with a 1UZ already in it, we just need to wire it up. I mean, we're gonna pull it right out anyway, but like we bought a whole car for less than what we were gonna pay for the swap kit.
Yeah. This is so cool.
Shout out to you, Caesar, for hooking it up, bro.
And to Bailey for pushing the whole car up on the trailer by himself.
Oh gosh.
Cause you already know that it was on me.
We know it's not, baby.
On Shanks Road.
Christine was over there like where are we going?
We picked up another fastback and it looks super nice. Mostly
Super nice. It's decent. It's actually in better
Okay.
condition than the car that I bought. Someone said something that was super funny because they're like, you need more than one 240 to make one good 240, and that's literally what we're doing right now. We're actually we're taking 3 240s to make two good 240s. This was only supposed to be a swap pickup video, but it ended up becoming we bought another 240 like in the span of 1 week. Like I wasn't even looking to buy another 240. Shout out to you, Caesar, for letting it go and giving us the opportunity to grab it, you know. But yeah, I don't know, guys, we're towing the car home. You want to see it here, we got the car on the trailer. It's raining. We could even just get this car running and this could be our thrash car.
Yeah.
I like leave the K in your car, that way you can just keep it nice.
Yeah.
I don't know, we got options, guys. Let us know what you guys think we should do. We got a KA car, a 1UZ car, and we got an SR car.
It would be so cool if we both drift fastback.
That would be cool too.
That would be super cool too.
We got options, guys. We got options. We could have 2 really good 240s or 3 really good 240s. Geez, I don't know if this is what do they call it? Like a financial mistake or nah. I'm excited.
I'm super excited too.
We got a lot of options, guys. I know we've been slacking on videos lately, but we have good reasons because we're just trying to figure out what to do with everything that we just did in this past few weeks, you know? We're just trying to see how we're gonna lay it all out. And Bailey also, we all came up in this.
Bailey came up on a car.
We all came up, guys.
Okay, good.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
You guys suck at
I don't know what to do. I don't know even what to say.
what do you want?
I don't know what left or right means. Like,
Is it like kick?
when you're turning left, sometimes you turn left, it's like, oh, left. Or something you turn right, it'll go left. Like, it's just like,
K. What is K? What is?
I was just trying to decide. And then just pull it. What do I pull?
We're like 2 inches off. Oh, we got it, guys! We did it!
Oh, that was actually a good idea, Blaine. It was
Good,
I know, it was happening.
It was actually super easy.
Okay, we did it, bruh.
You did it, bruh.
We did it.
You did it. Good
We did it,
job.
guys.
What am I even doing?
Yeah.
Good job, Bailey.
Chee! Did you put it through? Did you put it through here?
You didn't even put it through there. Oh, this.
Alright guys, we're home. I'm so beat. This morning we really wasn't even thinking of purchasing a car. We were more interested in getting the engine, but the guy wanted to sell it as a set, so we ended up picking it up. It was a really good deal anyways, so it's a win-win for us. We don't really know what we're gonna do with the shell yet. I kind of want to keep it and build it, but I guess we'll see. We're pretty much just gonna see what happens, but either way, this car or my car will have a 1UZ. I'm so set on it. I wasn't changing my mind just because I really don't want to have something with turbo, especially because this is gonna be my first swap car and I don't know anything about anything yet. As you guys know, all of the things that we do on the channel, or at least for my car, it's the first time I'm doing it. It's the first time I built my car. I just want to take it step by step and kind of progress from there. Not jump into something that I know nothing about and then, you know, I want to gradually grow into what I'm doing. So I'm so excited for this 1UZ. It's going to be so awesome. But thank you guys so much for watching, for rocking with us. We appreciate you guys. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and stay good.